Hello, next community. So for Halloween this year, we've got a bunch of fun props, and I'm gonna do trick or treat. So they'll have the trick-or-treaters will have their choice of 3D printing a bunch of cool glow-in-the-dark stuff, and this one's going to be pretty neat. Check this out. And those trees break away, so it's just to keep the 3D print from sagging. So, glow-in-the-dark horse. And let's see, this one is going to be, let's see if I go here. See if I recognize it. Oh, well, that's pretty scary. And finally, who you gonna call? This will be a good one. So it should be pretty fun. I'll say, when they say trick or treat, I'll say, would you like a trick or would you like a treat? And then I may give them one of each if I get enough printed in time. And then for best costumes, I'll give some pretty cool, give them a choice of like the horse or a Slimer or a little ghoul. I'm just printing all kinds of stuff. I think it's kind of a fun idea. And, well, what do you think? Happy Halloween coming up. Stay tuned. More fun stuff to come from the black hole.